Welcome to Science by PK. Today we're exploring something truly fascinating. Asteroids. These rocky wonders are like the leftovers from our solar system, and they have so many incredible stories to tell. So let's dive deep into the mystery of asteroids and what they are and how they formed and what happened to them when they got too close to Earth. Get ready for an exciting journey into space. Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the sun, just like planets, but they're much smaller. Most of them are found in the asteroid belt, a region between Mars and Jupiter. This belt, like a cosmic junkyard filled with millions of rocky fragments that never formed into a planet. Some asteroids are as small as a car, while others are hundreds of miles wide. They come in all shapes and sizes. Some are round, some others look like lumpy potatoes, and few have tiny moons of its own. Isn't that cool? What are asteroids made of? Well, their composition depends on where they're formed in their solar system. Some are made mostly of rock and metal, while others are rich in carbon and ice. Scientists have divided them into three main types. C-type asteroids are the most common. They're made of clay and silicic rocks. They are dark and mysterious. S-type asteroids are made of silica and nickel iron. They shine brighter. Then there are the M-type asteroids, which are mostly metal, like iron and nickel. These are especially exciting because they might hold clues about the cores of ancient planets. But how do asteroids form? Billions of years ago, when the solar system was just a swirling cloud of gas and dust, tiny particles began sticking together to form larger objects. Many of these grew into planets, but others stayed small. These leftover building blocks became the asteroids we see today. They are like capsules preserving the condition of the early solar system. But before we continue, if you like this content, make sure to like and subscribe the video. Asteroids can die or change. Over time, in few days, they can collide with each other and break into smaller pieces, or they can get pulled into the gravity of a planet or sun and be destroyed. Sometimes they get too close to Earth. They can enter our atmosphere with the friction, which the air makes them burn up, and we see them as shooting stars. If they're big enough to survive the journey, they hit the ground as meteorites. These impacts can create craters in the past. They've caused mass extinctions. Scientists believe an asteroid about 6 miles wide hit Earth 66 million years ago, wiping out the dinosaurs. But don't worry, NASA and other space companies keep a close watch on asteroids to make sure we're safe. They use telescopes to track their movements and send spacecraft to study them. One of the most famous missions was NASA's OSIRIS-REx, which visited an asteroid named Bennu and brought back samples to Earth. Studying asteroids, helping scientists learn more about our solar system's history and even where water and life might have come from. What would happen if an asteroid hit Earth today? It depends on the size. Small asteroids would burn up in the atmosphere and cause no harm. Medium ones could be local damage, like a big explosion. But large asteroids could be a serious threat. That's why scientists are working on ways to protect our planet by using spacecraft to gently push asteroids off their collision course. Asteroids remind us how amazing and unpredictable space can be. They're tiny but powerful, mysterious but full of answers to the biggest questions about our solar system. By studying them, we learn the past and prepare for our future. Thank you for joining us today on Science by PK. If you enjoy learning about asteroids, please give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.